0-62 miles per hour rating, 3.4 seconds. The SEAT Leon Cupra ST, one of Volkswagen Group's hidden gems. Sharing its underpinnings with the VW Golf and the Audi A3, this hot hatch is already a beast of a machine right out of the factory, with its most powerful iteration producing 296 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. In contrast, the Honda Civic Type R is rated in the nearby neighborhood at 306 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot torque. While with the Leon Cupra ST could very well match up with the Japanese hot hatch with its current power output, Siemoneit Racing has something else in mind and gave the Spanish compact hatchback a solid overhaul. Siemoneit Racing is an all-brand German tuner that's led by Stefan Siemoneit. His team not only upgraded the SEAT Leon Cupra ST engine but also the chassis, wheels, and a handful of aesthetic parts. The result? A 514 horsepower rocket hatch that could go reach 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds from a complete standstill. To achieve the feat, Siemoneit Racing installed in-house parts onto the engine, which includes bigger turbochargers, a high-flow air intake system, and new intercoolers with an optimized air guidance system. Turbo outlet and the pressure pipes have been replaced as well to match the initial work done. More powerful fuel pumps and a fully milled aluminum oil sump with 2 extra liters of capacity are also included, as well as an enhanced 7-disc clutch. After hardware and software tuning, the resulting output figures are 514 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 457 pounds-to-foot torque as early as 3,600 RPM. To match the new performance figures, Siemoneit Racing installed Michelin Sport Pilot Cup 2 onto its in-house high-performance 19-inch forged wheels. Furthermore, a V3 Plus thread chassis from KW Suspensions and 370mm ceramic brake unit from the Audi RS3 has been added to take care of the rest.